Hey friends, and welcome back to my channel. This video is all about fixing the issue while launching the Valorant. You got a loading screen bug or just a black screen after launching the game. So without wasting time, let's go ahead and directly proceed with the resolution. There is very easy and simple fix to fix out this issue. All you have to do is to open your web browser, and here is the official website of the Intel. You need to download the iGPU or CPU drivers right from this Intel website. I'll provide the link of this website right in the description of this video. Scroll down and simply click on this download option to download the GPU drivers or the CPU drivers into your system. One more thing friends, this link is only for the Intel ARC drivers. So if you have another version of the Intel CPU or GPU, you need to click on this option, which is get started. This will automatically detect your Intel drivers. Simply click on this option, download now, install it into your PC, and this will automatically detect your CPU or iGPU drivers and then install them into your PC. Once they are updated, restart your PC and the issue will be completely fixed. If not, I have a dedicated video. Watch this video also. I'll provide the link of this video right in the description of this video so that you will be able to launch the game without any kind of loading or freezing issues in the game. So that's all about it friends. If this video works out for you, I request you to please click on subscribe button and turn on the bell notification icon to continue receiving updates from my channel. Thank you so much friends. Thank you for watching.